guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your cloud cream. So, your cloud cream, if it has like little specks of white in it, mine does, you probably can't see on camera, but if it does, I'll show you how to fix it. And I'll show you the recipe at the end. Grab my mini mic, sorry about that. Oh yeah. Okay, so the first thing to help you fix your cloud cream is to add water. Water will help by, like, the snow will evaporate, oh my god, into your slime. So, look, see all those white spots? We don't want those. Oh my god. Making a cloud cream takes a lot of time, a lot of kneading, a lot of activator, and a lot of muscles. It gets so heavy because all the snow in it. Pat this boy down. Now mix.